Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshi and today we have with us the Action Pro K0140 smartphone holder for tripod. So you can see this comes in a very nice small box with a lot of sellotapes, and it was really difficult to remove them all and I took 5 minutes. So I won't waste your time, I will just skip through the unboxing process, removing all the sellotapes, cutting from all the sides. And I upgraded over the EOS one, more on that later. So let's remove this up, let's clean the table a little bit, and this is the box. Let's open the lid and you can see there's a bill, and this bill is very long, a little bit expensive compared to EOS, which was 99. This is double the cost, so I was a little bit worried that maybe it is worth the money or not. So let's check this out. So this is a tripod, nothing too fancy, just wrapped in this polythene plastic. So let's unbox this. Let's peel the plastic off, cutting the plastic. This was a nice experience, of course. And this is the mount itself. Now it is very light, surprisingly it is very light, and it has nice foam out there. The build quality is not as good as EOS, I would say, but overall, considering the foam, it seems decent. And so you have also this extendable grip so that you can mount any smartphone, and also you have two-sided hooks so that you can mount it vertically as well as horizontally, which is good. So let's check this out. So this is my EOS one, AEOSS, and I bought this two of them. It's nice, it's 99 bucks, but the problem with this is that this rubber grip comes off easily, and it was the third time that it just came out, and it's a major problem because when you mount your phone and all of a sudden between video, that rubber grip comes off and your mobile just falls down. My Mi A2 fall 2 to 3 times due to this. So I thought that it's time to find another one, maybe a little bit expensive. As you can see, the Redmi Note 4 glass kind of cracked due to that, because I shoot with multiple phones out there. So this was a very bad thing, so I wanted to find an upgrade, and I hope I did. Now this is how it looks on the tripod. So I have the Amazon Basics tripod. You can watch my review video on there. It is very nice. This is my old EOS clip which I just put it aside, and this is the mount. This is how it looks, and it fits my Mi A2, which is 5.99 inch screen very nicely. Also, you can see you can tilt it. Now it seems a little bit on the looser side. That's because I haven't tied it properly. The springs came out, but I just fix it later. You also get two mounts, which is horizontal as well as vertical. I prefer to be the vertical mount, and this is a nice feature which was not present in my earlier. And you can see this is a plastic grip. This is a plastic with rubber grip instead of this sellotape tied rubber grip or gum tied grip. So that's nice. It will keep my phone strong and secure, and that's what I need. A little bit on the expensive side, but okay. As you can see, my volume buttons and power buttons are too near the tripod, which makes it difficult to center it. So I have kind of aligned it towards left, and you can see this serves the purpose, as I've kept my buttons a little bit aside from the holder, and it just works flawlessly. So highly recommended tripod. You can try out. This is my lamp. Let's focus it for this video. So Amazon links will be in the description below, so you can check these out. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.